welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a file to a PDF file if you don't know how to. First of all, you download Google Docs. It's used in making it into the PDF file. This is what you're going to be working with, this. So you click on it. Now when you're into the app, you click here. You see? Then when you click it, it's going to show you three options. Choose templates, new Word file, or new doc file. Now new doc file, it's going to give you a background that you're going to work with. Now when you're here, I'm just going to paste down what I copied somewhere, so I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now when you paste this here, this is about chemistry. So you now click here. You click on these three dots here. Okay, when you click on the three dots, now to make it look like more of like PDF something, you have to print the layout. You see, now it's more of like this. You get? Now it's because we clicked on print layout. You can see it's turned on. If I turn it off, it goes like that, but it doesn't look like a real PDF. Now if you do it like this, you click on it, it's done as a PDF. Now you go, if you want to save this, and you go to share and export. See, now you click here, save as. You click on save as, you're going to read the format which one you want to use: Word, PDF, open document format, plain text, rich text formats, web page, APA publication. So this video is about PDF, so I'm going to stick with that. So you click OK. Now you're saving. It uses network, so network is stable for it to work. You see PDF, you can see by the name there, showing here PDF. Now it's done. If you want to download it into your storage, because it's going to your storage, I can leave it here if I want to, but I don't want, you see. So I'm going to download it to my storage, so I click here. It's not a must. You can download it to your storage if you want to, but if you urgently need it, you can click it here